The Care Council commissioned the Institute of Public Care at Oxford Brookes University to develop a suite of learning materials. So we set up a reference group, a virtual reference group of people working in the sector to provide case studies, examples and links to other materials that would make the modules kind of come alive and be more real.
We started off by thinking about what we were trying to achieve with the training materials, and we had some quite clear learning outcomes that we were given by the Care Council to think about. What I would hope is that people will be able to use them flexibly to think about what they need to be doing in their role.
What I'm hoping to get out of today is a familiarisation with the materials as they're going to be used by the trainers, but also some thoughts about how it's best delivered, how we will engage people in the process.
The day so far has been really good, very interesting. It's nice to network with lots of different people from different organisations and see that we're all in the same boat. I think the ethos of the Act is really important for people to understand that it's all about well-being and prevention and early intervention, so that we're not stepping in at the crisis level. And I think that's going to be a big challenge for people to take that on board and put it into practice.
The role of people like me is to actually get people to reflect that there is change in this for all of us, and you hope then that they bring that change into their practice.
It's a really big opportunity for practice to be strengthened and for people to build on all the good things that are already happening.
I realise that there's going to be quite a lot of pressure to get this done quite quickly. It's now only 3 months before the Act comes into force. We hope that the facilitators will actually inspire people to make change and will implement the key policy changes of the Act to help them think through, well, what really needs to change here to make a difference, to make sure the spirit, I suppose, as well as the letter of the law gets implemented.
All the information about the Act can be found on the Care Council for All's Information and Learning Hub. There you can find information about the Act itself, the codes of practice and the regulations. You can also download all the learning materials about the Act from the Hub, including the 4 core modules.